Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see others on Facebook story. So what you're going to do is open up the Facebook app and log into your Facebook account. Now this method will work both on Android and iPhone. So now once you're here, go to your profile or simply open up the your story from here if it is available at the top. If it is not available, then simply go to your profile. Now you need to click on the profile picture and it will give you option to view your story. Okay, simply click on view story. Now at the bottom you can see 9 people have viewed it. You need to click on that 9 option. Right now you need to click on viewers. Now at the bottom you can see 3 other people viewed this story. However, if you read it clearly, it also mentions that since it's shared to public, people you are not friends with can see it. However, if I tap on this one, you cannot actually view this one. There is no way to view others on your Facebook story. So in order to see them, they need to be your friends. Then only you will be able to see them in the list here. These others 3 people I simply cannot see it. There is no way. So this is the only way. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.